learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, March 24th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, you use to clean your teeth. Correct. And number 2 is the opposite of narrow. Yes. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The toothbrush is new. The toothbrush is new. Toothbrush. A tool that we use to clean our teeth. Now we can make a flashcard for toothbrush. Please repeat. 2 toothbrushes. We use ES for the plural. Please make a card like this. Write toothbrush up here in the top left corner. TOOTHBRUSH. Down in this corner, BATH 1. This means bathroom, level 1. And over here the number 17 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Tooth, brush, toothbrush. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. The road is wide. The road is wide. Wide. The road is wide. It is not narrow. The road is wide. It is not narrow. Now we can make a flashcard for wide. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. Be wide. We use be because it is an adjective. Down in this corner, A1. This means adjective, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 85 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. I. Why. Wide. Game over. You did really well today. Today we learned 1, toothbrush. Very good. And the road is not narrow. It is wide. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. I will cut the paper with scissors. And number 2, can you say it? Tight. This is the opposite of loose. And number 3, can you say it? To do something? Very good. Routinely. This means all the time, every day. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.